Exercise 2.5, problem 9, discussion. Let's read the problem. Suppose that 5 people are ill during the first week of an epidemic and each sick person spreads the contagious disease to 4 other people by the end of the second week, and so on. By the end of the 15th week, how many people will be affected by the epidemic? So what they say is that initially in the beginning of the week, you have 5 people who are sick, and it's a contagious disease, and every person spreads it to another 4%. So what will happen? 5 people will become 20 at the end of the second week, right? And the third week will be the 20 into 4, 80 people, and it goes on like that. Okay, so we want to know how many people will be affected by 15th week. So for 5 people are there during the first week, and each sick person spreads the contagious to 4 other people by the end of the second week, and so on. So end of the first week is 5 people, end of the second week it will be 5 into 4, 20, and end of the third week will be 20 into 4, 80. So you can see this is a geometric series with A equal to 5, R equal to 4, and you are asked to find the end of the 15th week, N equal to 15. Okay, A equal to 5, R equal to 4, N equal to 15, and you are asked to find how many people. So which means we are asked to find Sn, right? So S15 is what we are asked to calculate, and what's the formula? Sn equal to A into R to the power of N minus 1 divided by R minus 1. R is greater than 1, so you have to use this formula. And you know A, R and N. So basically, in this case, you have to identify A and R of the geometric series from the given problem. Once that is done, you substitute those three values A, R and N in this formula and calculate the sum of the series. Okay? So please pause the video here and try to work this problem on your own. And come back and check your working against our solution. So let's solution. Number of people ill in the first week. Number of people ill in the second week is 5 into 4, because it becomes multiplied. Every person is spreading the disease to 4. So 5 into 4, they would have spread it to 20. For the third week will be 20 into 4. So this is a geometric progression with A equal to 5 and R equal to 4. And you are asked to calculate the number of people at the end of 15th week. So N equal to 50. Substitute all these values in this equation. So this will become A, which is 5, into R to the power of N. R in our case is 4, so it becomes 4 to the power of N, and N is 15, so 4 to the power of 15 minus 1 divided by R minus 1, right? So it will be 5 into 4 to the power of 15 minus 1 divided by 4 minus 1, that is 3. Okay, so by the end of the 15th week, we will have this many people affected by the epidemic. You can see the way the number 4 to the power of 15 is such a big number. So that is why geometric progression is very powerful, and this contagious disease in an epidemic is really spreads widely. Okay, right. I hope you have understood the problem and you have got your working right. If not, please go through our solution with your working and see where you have gone wrong and make suitable corrections. And if your concept is not clear, please go back to the discussion part of the video and try to understand the concept clearly. Okay, thanks for watching this video.